or something, and that's what we are talking about and the way forward, because there are things the FI veteran actors home. TT may so rest in peace. Minka we for a yaw. And rana or Tiasenans and all free no issues like this came up and people were saying a whole lot of things. We were born to fear her. Memana Kwaba Sasuna was the Fina with fear Memon Swakaba. At least let me take their view on this whole residuals when it comes to royalties, a ban actors side. Now after that, no, as I said, and the show is fully packed. We have other 2 interviews. Yebe Komuna Yakatrim Komo, so you're already seated into near the no subebro. But more if you didn't cost one up him so 104.7. Kalisma Adaroma on the estate Jumadi and with some good music. So as soon as you crack Adaroma, we are live on Facebook. As I told you, you can just pick your phone and search Opemsuo Radio. Now I join your conversation. Opemsuo 104.7 FM. Brapeng.
Ciao.
Official Akwaba.
Majo Susinia.
Na bibi aboko.
Jinamsa Bilaba.
Abilaba power e modem ko bia so jinamsa abilaba. I now jinamsa woma.
Odi abileda.
I made abilida. But I made the name of the children.
No man, the ones that were drone is you.
Ain't mean,
oh man, once we drone is you now, they a new. Okay, but we na bano is you wanna load on the area. Is so, you know. I was saying Jinaso Pampe. Well, last week, my yeah. So maybe so 2 weeks journey now. How has it been? It's been awesome. We are always here learning, unlearning. Rapaholic, sackaholic, everything, informing as well as everything. It's just a vibe. Wouldn't have crana. It's just a vibe. Oh, you are a mile away, but you are just part of us. Oh yeah, because I was listening and I think say almost mama's not seeing now where people are much call rapaholic. So it made the conversation very beautiful. Teacher Kofi sitting now, he doesn't really do that. I never knew Kofi was so much into entertainment. Like him say be another camera and a share. Okay. Unimno. Sidofina, akwaba.
Yeah, job, Mr. Raleigh.
No, she I trust Bosumini.
Hey.
Mebwa. Last week I wasn't here. Last 2 weeks I didn't see you.
Last 2 weeks too I was here.
Sir. Yeah, oh, okay. Say biaboko.
Chedi ampon no fruta braba nyame adom.
Hey. See I don't trend on Facebook.
Was it me here day?
Trend on Facebook.
So
I said, "Must I be posted? I'm telling you, I'm a card of chrono. I'm going to be commenting and going to be kai.
And you will be brave. Was it? I didn't see now. Why do men always think the only thing women can bring on the table?
Okay, I understand. And you can actually. But also be able to
trying.
All right. It's for a high up so 104.7. Abeja for na mama kwa by. Because I told you, men come be there are more interviews coming your way. But Bunty, let's talk about this whole royalties. Young can say for a man for better seeing, you know. On say Oba Ghana Hanuma movie when it comes to movie actors or actress getting paid after a movie, you know, it's not a thing that I don't know if you guys have paid attention, and it's one of the few things we talk about. But truly, so no, a hard dream. What is your view on this, and what do you think is the way forward for us? And in forward in Como, they've told us some of the challenges. If we work a contract in the name, if we work approaching the panel, then now cause issues. On for one trap names man. What's your take on that?
So you see, the Yancha will be a. Yencha will be an end will be Opemsuo. Shall see the other baby doom. What I say? All right. You see, they rightfully, I think Willie rightfully answered the question. Our car say there should be a binding contract. I best sign it with a proposal. There should be a whole proposal. I best sign it. Now, Yajia Tumu said after the movie, no, and after the production, even if Rona may play no crown, Utuyame Sikawi crana. There should be some residuals after everything, and on a royalty. And I rightly say, catch and say, and on a almost form of almost pension pay, but Uncle Fred and Jantum. You see, a honor never say a TSSR. When you have the energy and are during your youthful ages, you know, and I'll be to me active, will be to me a Jumano, and Harrison, do be a. Because Willie is very energetic, right? So you can move from set to set to set. Probably be moving from 4 sets in a day. But I wish Uncle Fred the Otena has seen now. Oma ho de no e It's meaning say you are not retiring totally, but the rate at which I will be to me a co-production or so no fem. But what I say?
Okay, fine.
Aha. Into honor also would you to say. Into honor also would you to say. Retiring age no no. Yeah, the near I say.
Uncle Fred was trying to say, I said about the movie trial. Said your kind. Accommodating and
Aha, but I don't know who say.
There is a role for each
everybody. Oh, I didn't say.
Won't pass or cry.
Aha, obey me. But yeah, join us. I say, anytime be meet me a feature or movie, be let's mean to me, intimate retirement totally wrong. And no, and I mind you who says I may Fred Riley dinaba movie, no so I'm an ababe ya Riley a hot kick. In Tibia or J 100 Ghana cedis na meet to an outright manner, but 2 manner we. Nti me boka me dia ye na menya stars no movie no so kra na gradually se me dia de no to streaming platform no so a sika bia bebe bia ye me am benefit o se me nkwa me enjoy ya ti ase o honom a eni kwan sa ade no sa na nka ye de eye mind you also this year also omo new production omo the contract aye de aba nti the contract bia e won bia o sign e bia e mean say you've consent to it sa na o say ye adwuma nti ni say bia enem ye hot cake na me hu ni say oh Carlos my friend wo na yi so Sidofina friend me wa ha me kwa ha na me kwa kwajiwe na me kekabom na me hu say enough mama a I don't even think about contract bia me kwa sign bia at the end of the day ni say oh yemra and I'll be hu say sika ka ha nti na if we don't like to read and then the producers as well so almost so enyo bi a omo ha omo mpese omo ne ye be chene daachi because ene no ya charge omo a higher fee ntino ene me tua ne na daachi bia no me mfa so no ba makote ni nyina de afrim say kote as ya ante ho asesa de bia de this conflict of interest na beba.
Okay, so Delphina, the letter you want to add.
Okay, so Diana Bonti Kano. First no na omo ho ye den no. No omo nim say oh me ho ade nti meko location ha meko location say ne ho ade but omo anjuni say location bebre no ko na mre be ba ontimi nkote se face no so what you see so omo time no so there were so much advantage wo directors and producers nafa because omo nim say omo no de omo pa ne say me dem meko location we na film ne nso ye omo de but omanye dey omo ntimi ahwe so on say say for no omo ni da hopa omo make sure say omo ye niema ye omo hehye niema ye na omo nso anya de omo bedi debi so what you say and afin so ye hwe omo time na advertisement like product is star be ye ho advert na ni wo sa say omo no omunya because omunim say way to sell your product no through these stars no so what you say enti to de bia yensusumbo tetefo na chi na yenhu say omutam no na enibie mba te say de sese enibia ye de aba no what you say yes
so you feel like we shouldn't blame
no yenim no yen find it something way out from it because me say anka first no dey no bonti ohun me say me metwa movie da so what I say by na me nyo okay I say ohun so no I say ohun so oh so they told me I try now go good them MPA Bonti superstar can see share and so
so you see the whole thing of Ghana music me for example the time I had a chance to be on set I went there with an agenda and I said how a camera move your move channels and
oh okay
so no me put my first movie I'm trying to make a kidnapper you kidnap someone right? It was fun but as I said no I went there with the notions I wanted to go learn one or two things
okay
I wasn't something.
We need that so.
And me being on the set, you could also see there are a lot of people there who were there to be stars.
Oh yeah.
And it's not so fun. And I think that's what we are talking about. Me as I said to my uncle,
me say me last set 5 years near me code. Share.
No, but not many locks, but I'm moving in my locks.
Opemsuo.
And I will move the right now. And if I don't call for sure, it's going straight to them. You get it? It's in the air.
Am I in GBBR and towards a at the end? You see, the problem was you were so much excited, say, Obe scene or so. One fa, but I be on Kosa actor, but who drew one and do ye. You are selling your image for the rest of your life. And taking your image for somebody to earn something, no, you should be paid. If you can say, am I blaming at the phone P? And name still now we are repeating the same thing. And say, I say, I can't say
At the G.
exactly.
Okay. All right. How did music start for you?
The genesis of music for me, you know, I am Crabrim, and then as fiasia time I'm sure. Na me papa nam you take car rides out you'll be opinion pa from reggae to country music to everything obo to know I started you know soaking it from Nkrabrema to me so man am dey be am tienum to me soccer be 5-6 years so call internet crab me wo freestyle videos na me yeah just to grow myself into you know that's how it started for me high school you know from junior high, now me freestyles near but I wasn't on a serious note until I think 2021 when I started actually doing active and serious music.
Oh, okay. All right. Okasa now, and that's your accent.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you grow up here?
Yeah, I did partly.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, how many years?
Actively a lot of years. I can't really recall, but most of the years there I've been here.
Okay.
Yeah, cause you know, me papa you'll be regardless of the fact say me kotina Western world at a young age, you know. Or you'll be or on person me really be my culture. Into you know, on found on the flight cost.
Obi
trauma maba into my life now quiet in between both worlds.
Yeah. Rebecca said when I said we have a royal here, and our casa so papa. Say if for muti any type of mind in a banner treaty and common. That's why the intro no course and no tea and casa and crowd to say Ghana and on but yet still he's trying to tell you he's an Ashanti, and that's one thing I like about you.
I appreciate
it's good.
Yeah.
Because what's that bro for now? It's like you can't speak tree, but me can someone say me a gamma there, and I say tree where gamma.
I was on the camera, say me Asantini, and out of respect for culture, baby, I'm free, me drawing fear, no, I'm American, so I had to take off my earrings because me papa or hinena mukra no. Sound I have fear, then your Opemsuo I have fear. So
I understand.
Yeah.
Very nice. You're still holding on to the culture. It's key. That's how we get to know ourselves. Let's get back to music as we were talking about when you said music really started from you as Accra, based on the influence from the kind of music your dad used to play to you. At what age now, Becca, you recorded your first music?
My first actual recording was in high school, Prampet College. Minkai age no, but I think year in the best somewhere around 2014.
Okay.
Mene Gucci Lifik of Yajiska.
Oh, okay, Lifik.
Yeah, on the first person or the Miko studio. It for me studio time someone recorded because we happened to be in the same high school at that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. What was the title of the song?
It was called Living Life. It was a cover to Fetty Wap. And in Monty that time it was a hip hop song.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So from then 2014 till now, how many songs have you been able to record?
So
both released and the unreleased.
Whoa. Released, I say I have a catalog of 10 songs out.
Okay.
You know, but unreleased there's quite a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, it's quite a lot because I keep working, you know,
Why do you artists? We'll continue the journey, but this is a general question. Other than artists for more recording your money, more they share them. Because looking at you, I won't say financing will be a problem for you to push like a project.
A project.
Even though it could be a problem, it will only be a problem if your dad is not interested in what you do. But if he's interested, it's not going to be a problem. I lie.
Well, true, but also no, there will be a music aspect.
You don't want to bring family.
You know, it's something I'm building.
It's a business. So if your dad invests in it and will work out fast, why not? Maybe I can't invest you.
Oh, sir, I'm planning because we're saying attraction. No.
Okay, the impact first.
Impact no first. Now I feel I'm bringing it in on the business side.
Okay.
But what was the question again?
Like as you say, then I'm keeping much songs.
Yeah, whole songs. Okay.
You confidently said I have 10 songs out.
Yeah.
But when it comes to unreleased, you can't even count.
Yeah, I have a lot of unreleased because personally I took a little hiatus from music. Now me focus with school kakra. So the past couple years no. Me the towards me co school no ma share yet. And you know I put more unreleased and more unreleased videos for my audience. So you know, I hold songs mainly for timing reasons, you know, for mood reasons, and also for the state of the society. Actually, you gotta study what the scene wants before you drop. So that's how I do with my art. You know.
Out of your 10 songs out, when I asked you to mention the titles, but just give me one or give me two of your favorites and why you like those songs.
Okay, my favorite would be Daddy's Boy.
Daddy's Boy.
Because it acknowledges the fact that I have an amazing father figure in my life, and it also, it's a song that celebrates all fathers, because there's no song that really celebrates fathers and their great works, you know. And also I have a song called Savage Mode that I like a lot because it was more so a freestyle song that I just went to the studio. I had to record something else, but when I got in the studio, the producer was playing the beat, and I was like, oh, this is something I'd like to do. Just freestyled it, and it's a pretty smooth and solid song.
I wish you could do at least a portion of the first song.
Daddy's Boy?
Daddy's Boy.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Daddy's boy, Mario G. I'm a daddy's boy. I live my life like my daddy taught. He gave me life and always supported. Died from dying, my life support. You give your all, just see me smile and hope one day I'll wear your crown. Dad and mama, I'll make you proud. I'll give my best now to make y'all smile. Yeah.
All right. So maybe the lines you gave just makes me feel maybe what I'm thinking is right. But let me ask: did you grow up in a place where people were looking at you some kind of way, not in a negative way, but just because you are from a rich family? You see, on say Asante Mamu and I say Ghana Mamu and say, oh, if you feel a big woman, I did be a baby, oh, where they Jan send people can't only how. Do you experience that a lot? And is it because of Sanya money being a the year? So I just to tell people, say, okay, I'm a daddy's boy today.
Yeah, actually, in a way, it is, because regardless of how if you might look, say it would be no, I see myself as may grind it
for yourself.
Exactly, but over starting music, regardless of how you see yourself as you grinding, other people don't see you as such. So it also kind of informed my decision to kind of put that song out. But what really made me want to put the song out for real was to acknowledge the fact that my dad is really a great person, and also celebrate all fathers in the world.
Right. That's nice. That's one thing I hardly a 30. Mother's Day. So I think your song is one of the few.
For sure.
So back to your music. Now we have 10 songs out there. We have Daddy's Boy, which happens to be one of your favorites. Which song is out now? Which like I say is the latest you have out?
Yeah, the latest song right now is a Lone Ranger.
A Lone Ranger.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a Lone Ranger.
I see you featuring YP. Grind. What inspired that too?
Well, so just like you said, people see you say we're free, a well-to-do home, but they don't know so you're about the hustle. So that's what made me do grind, because I'm not very shy to say I work hard. Me saying I don't know, me call America wherever I be working. So that informed them. I'm like, yo, let me put a song out to let people know say it's not all cheesy, you know what I'm saying? We hustle too, we be on the ground, cause pisca, per se, or you fly, per se, you know, my feel be any, you have to get the money the right way.
Nah, I'm from my own.
On the Bama crowd, because you know, a poker, you know what I'm saying?
Sure. Yanko Tie Grind featuring YP. But who did the production?
Production was by Browse did the beat and Sig Beat did the whole mix and mastering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's it for your name, Mario Gina Aidin Komo. He has this song called Grind featuring YP. Me pesi ekoni kuti ba. We'll still continue with his journey. I think I'm liking the story and the things I'm hearing, and I like to hear more because I happen to also be a daddy's boy.
Oh,
and so I like what your story and how you are putting it down. Yes, yeah, daddy's boy in teacher say BBI for
exactly.
I like to hear this song. It's if we ain't kuti ba, the conversation still continues.
We ain't stopping grinding, that's why we online. We on the web like boo.
It's Browse on the track.
MG's on it. Julia fast, and son I'm running up on who, and many hot joke on who. It's can now be your mano. Julia fast, and son I'm running up on who, and many hot joke on who. It's can now be your mano. Grind hard, for that money. Tell those haters sorry, we out here making money. Grind hard, for that money. Tell those haters sorry, we out here making money. On the grind for the doctor, and pull up in a Range Rover. Make your bitch wanna cover. I just won't stop to a Jeep Wrangler. Bad boys in Pioneer Soldier. We did online searching, yeah, and that finna pop the custom Bentayga. I need a couple of rich millions, my good dreams. Just smile from my hackers breaking lost to get to the bag. Lost in shots for the Benjamins. Killing ops with no evidence, so it's fuck you when you sentiment. When I sit clean, I get in my element. Bad bitch on me, them impress me. Now J3 with twin sisters. Real fast, and son I'm running up on who. And many hot joke on who. This can now be your mano. Just do it fast, and son I'm running up on who. And many hot joke on who. This can now be your mano. Grind hard, for that money. Tell those haters sorry, we out here making money. Grind hard, for that money. Tell those haters sorry, we out here making money.
Cars, do your fast, Pediane, Bereka, Manco School, Mentema, so I count to catch on more motorbanks, Mandilas, Magic Pass, fuck out of here, Joya drop a bash, shut it in a pico break in a fast.
All right, that's a song by the man they call Mario G featuring YP Grind. That's a nice tune. Who released it with year, man?
This was dropped in the year 2023.
2023. Okay, so was this your last release you did?
No Time featuring Chenku was the last release I did before I took a little break. Yeah.
Okay, so we break in the last day for how many anyway?
It was 2 years, close to 3.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So with this song, a video of it out there?
Yeah, I have a video of a long. Yeah, available on all platforms as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What you've distributed it?
Yeah.
Visuals come.
Visuals is out on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So all the 10 songs, how many of them now are visuals?
I got visuals for 7 songs. One thing about me, I don't like to release a song if I don't got a visual for it.
Okay.
So most of my songs got visuals, out everywhere. Even on Apple Music, you could watch a video to a Mario G song.
Right. From Okasam, you could see say 1 hour fund music. You're trying to do your own best. Would you say you have a team or you have a management or you're under?
Yeah, I have a solid label that I'm operating.
Okay. That's you are operating it yourself. Okay.
Yeah. G-Lingo Records. So okay. I might be the artist, but low-key I'm also part of the CEO and the management team background, because it's not just me. I'm trying to help other upcoming artists as well. Okay. As a label.
But for now, are you the only one on the label?
No, I have about 3 more talents with me as well.
Share their names for us.
I got Y'all Flame. He's on the No Time. Okay. I got Natty B. I got features with him. The intro freestyle and Bad B featuring Natty B. And I got John Doe as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there going to be a point where Maroji will say, okay, I'm giving you guys an album or an EP?
I already got Drip Season out.
Okay.
It is banging, but that's a little outdated because that was dropped in 2022. So right now I'm compiling something. Y'all should watch out. I just me free akwanto mba no mabe home nwa no mo mo tepo won so bom home den pa won mu.
Okay.
So no me ni omo ye collaborative project be am here so me day a low project like a low sound from Tepamine. Ababontin amama phone so yeah what talent will be sebi me free and so
I think you're adding up to your dad's work and it's a good thing.
That's the goal. I'm doing my part, whichever way.
Because in paying for the assignment way
exactly.
When you take the mandate and you're doing it, as you said, if it start catching the eye,
exactly.
I think definitely
they gonna bring in,
which is good. My DJ was asking, wanted me to ask you because you said you are into label and answer all person wow your label. No, is there going to be a point where you feel like you want to create your own DSP, like a platform where people can go stream your music?
That's actually the long-term plan, you know. So yeah, it's in the works. That was smart, bro. I appreciate that. It's part of the long-term plan for G Lingo Records. We want to be able to create a platform, a distro platform where young talent be able to me afford the easy distribution. No, so to me uploading the songs. So because there's a lot of talent from Ghana, Kumasi specific.
All right. Just by the way, has it ever happened in old music career where people got to know where Tepamine in a band, I didn't count him say I'm a call sex street boy and I say normal person and can do it 2 CDs na me that probably will cost me. But because someone said me Tepamine in a band, it's just like they're trying to raise things up for me.
Oh, it happens, but obeying the day, T-Street level, guy man there, but right now, what is right now, the day tough for me, is warming up to people, because sometimes, it happened just last night. It was an instance where my team in chain, and I wanted to hop out around midnight. I mean, Koto Wachi Kumase, so I hopped out the car, and I was, met by like a few people that was trying to they noticed who I was. So, Mario D Tepahine, but and I was by myself. I kind of felt a little social anxiety because it's like I'm new to this, not new, but like the love. I understand,
I understand
but sometimes it's something I have to learn how to warm up to.
You're not even finding yourself what to do or not.
Exactly,
to do.
you know what I'm saying. It's a little overwhelming.
Okay.
That's just
All right, that was just by the way. But as I said, last question before I asked you, probably maybe we didn't touch something you would like to bring on board, or you have plans of doing something. I am beside you.
Okay.
I know your dad is doing his best for you, and I know you appreciate knowing he's your father. But you see, sometimes on some path of a journey, a man for try to hide or just try to block that side of them. If parents here, that public figure, and I say, like like your dad, they don't want people to know that. You can go your way. Is that how you want your art to be, or you feel free to be affiliated with Tepamine when you are talking about your music, or you want it to be like, even though that's my dad, let's talk about my music?
No, I marry both because I get the opportunity to promote my town. You know what I'm saying? I got love for the community, and what way to best promote the town than to marry the fact that you're a prince of a prince and an indigent of the town. It's part of me. I can never shy away from the fact of who my father is. Wherever I go, and I'm met with it and I welcome it.
Okay. All right. So Mariji, sorry. So is there anything? Okay. Bonti person obusa. Bonti too is a brother here. Yenena na esum or yebedwa for na baako. And I can say Yenena na esum. He's a pandit. Let me say it that way. And probably at least he might say 1 or 2 things.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So
nice
Bonti,
to meet you, Mr. Bonti.
You're welcome, boss. I'm in your catalog right now.
Okay.
Audio Mac.
Yeah.
Say we'll take the Drip Season.
Drip Season,
When was it released?
It was dropped in 2022.
2022.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then did you make any attempt of promoting it, and I said you were outside? So
Oh no, I was here actually. So that was the genesis of the career,
okay.
you know. And it started with a plan. Said, you know, it's tough being from a home where I'm from now, so Bayernum. Into no, me shasi na me shasi me compile drip season to put it out. Said I'm out for bones. So I'm actually about the music. Let's say me baby be keke. Cinema made a compilation of 4 rap songs.
Okay. Okay. That happens to have that one on it.
Everything on there. Yeah.
So I could see say the current one Lone Ranger.
A Lone Ranger.
Yeah. A Lone Ranger. Okay.
Which we'll be listening to that and we'll talk about that. But me person who say be more be yeah.
Okay.
Me person who say any other business car and you to and I say like full-time musician.
Oh, I would never say I'm a full-time musician, you know. I do other things. I'm into IT, you know what I'm saying? Amongst other things, I really want to keep that on the side, but I am a musician regardless, but not full-time. I don't really base my whole life on music. Exactly.
Okay.
All right. So, the new song out, Charisma. The new song out is A Lone Ranger.
A Lone Ranger, yeah.
What inspired that?
So what really inspired that was I had just relocated to Chicago. Tina me homeboy back home. I don't know the voice say intro to the song.
Okay.
Or send him a voice note at the time I graduated. What's it Charlie say no me sorry I'm in KumaseFie. I don't got nobody calling my phone BB. I'm at my locking in. I'm trying to better myself. You know, and I was at that point in life, you know, I was on a self-improvement
so
point.
You could relate.
I could relate to it, so I kind of felt like, let me create a song to let people know that if you are a Lone Ranger focusing on yourself and bettering yourself now, and should in your life be it's better to be alone than to move with a crowd out and go down.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Right. Who did the production?
Production was by Snake Beat, mix and master by Clancy. Or Chicago, Ghana boy.
What video for it also?
Yeah, Lone Ranger visuals is out now.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you release this?
A Lone Ranger was dropped September 3rd.
September.
Yeah.
Just last month. Yeah.
Just last month. Yeah, October. Yeah.
Months next January.
January.
It's a final corner. So let's go listen to Lone Ranger by Maro G. And when we back, the show still continues. The person who did the mixing with that. How do I say it? Reverb kind of no you see it makes it very beautiful, and I know it's out of your own voices now or that makes the song. So now we have A Lone Ranger out. The video is also out. You said planning with the Tepa guys almost. What should we expect any we are from Maruji?
It's a lot because was a lot of features and so I share them. So right now no me na my back with this one no. And Chibia and I was me drop it back home. So and I like to keep it in a stash because man I move on surprises. I don't never know what I'm going to drop.
No pressure.
You know what I'm saying? Because it's a lot of things cookie with them. So moon should be him. Yeah, with a lot of fire visuals and so everybody hit him on screen spawn.
I would like to hear you on other kind of genres.
Genres?
Yeah.
Other than drill and hip hop?
Aside drill and hip hop.
Yeah, I think I have Afro beats in the stash. You know, I have other I be doing. It's a lot of things that I got in the stash. So all
right, we'll be following.
Yeah,
we'll be following. So Mario, sorry. So Baba Fie, Fie. Your last words, and Atepa 40. What are you telling them?
Well, my last words, Dema KumaseFie Asantemane Tepafone Obi Biara will tear me beyond the semi damase. I think me release a Lone Ranger muscle me mupa free time me wa manoni me to say more bang song no tino. I said that be bring come mamu na mun koso ensuso me mu na mun tie me nyom me one of my own. So I suffer a lot of identity crisis because sometimes we come baby almost say we are Kateni, but me are Santini pure pantino.
Kata for na boano.
Yeah, boano chinkumo ba. What do you know dear song? Kumerica stand up namun somimu. Bless.
Kumerica stand up, Maroji. Your social media handles.
Yeah. So on Snapchat Mario G11, TikTok Mario G11, no call X size Mario G Gangster, Facebook Mario G. So yeah.
I would like to see the gangster side of you. And I'll buy and that's why my diplomatic way no more.
Yeah.
I like to see you on the streets and see how you
I move.
Yeah,
But
I would like to see that
it.
side.
Watch it.
If I know Bibenyanyum way be on the DSPs, what are the name there?
Oh, DSPs, just look up Mario G everywhere because my song is everywhere. Whatever DSP you use, whether Spotify, whether Audiomack, whether Apple Music, Tidal, whatever DSP or YouTube Music, whatever, just search up Mario G, you're going to find me. So have a trouble since Swelco Google. I just look up Mario G. It's going to show you my profile and everything related.
All right. Mario, thank you for coming.
That's a
All right, it's here for Mario G and Nini Dinkomo, A Lone Ranger is the song. We're going to play that song one more time near their sorry. So, one thing can be Monday or Cram, but media minimum bigger for you and Cram. Into more video and Koso and I say the show still continues. It's here for Opemsuo 104.7 FM. When you say it's all about entertainment. We are here to educate, we are here to inform. Who baby where there baby where boss. Then we also educate you on what you need to do as an artist and what you don't need to do. Who near be or into this industry, I need the right channel humanity just to be updating him or herself when it comes to how to go about things. And he didn't come up with brave. We have Mario G passing through. We have Pressure Boy 808 passing through. We have Uncle Fred. We have Uncle Ricky. We had Willie passing through. It's a very beautiful show we are having today. I can't wait to webinar. Yemren I be na news a day almost so dear eba. But see the final hano. Mamusan how is he feeling about yeah Mario G song? No one is saying.
Okay. Ne kind of song ne to say a American for.
Drill.
Yeah, drill no. Come up like a loan no. And so to beat I made a sad. It's sim one.
And I'm out to me twerking no.
Me yeah been put that.
I'm so nana now yeah. So start by jump. I know I can listen man. Unim. Oba studio I know I know say. On Pekasa.
Oh, but some in Pekasa.
Heck.
Not
Joe crack. Ko Facebook na ko any videos ni bi na fato.
I know the me entry answer.
I don't end it.
Yeah,
Hey, Jackie Baby do page o. O me ya now. Chama na re wa jama me kwa America.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I
We okay. We
Opemsuo.
Opoku ana say. Hey. The man actor hey Chicheku ana.
Now I got
Debbie comedy boy.
Right.
You so comedy boy.
yeah, me
See how they all
me okay.
Oh, so you're okay.
So the final you okay.
Pa, so you say me akoda pa maybe like
Oh, I could have party or yes, videos net trending.
Di boni put that. The thing I'm asking so sanity.
All right, therefore, well, before we best sorry, let's just take 10 minutes and speak about this. Now, for 7 minutes, now, before Uncle Fred is sorry, no, he made mention of say a foot to the big giant and say, oh, you're actor, you need management. Mm-hmm. And within the week, I think Hammer was on one of our TV stations, right? And he made mention, say, what our industry need is we need, what did he even say? He used a particular word, I want to.
I say we need a centralized.
We need a centralized management system. Not just say, if a baby, no, the Uncle Fred kind, even though musicians want to cry now and they say managers, if you follow boys near the idea, you may. Will be no cry say they need management or they need a strategic management or something in terms of managerial roles. And actors are saying same, which over actors side we could all beat our chest and say hardly cry say near better say actor and actress in the manager ni. It wasn't a common thing. Bonti, may they bow also first. What do you think is making these old folks say they say necessary say you be here management. Do you think Bibi will honor because there are a lot of artists on now who are not picking a show be our general studio na so kwaja onya me kakra fa ne ka no akoye na de na nka management sam ye.
Okay. Ehun hia. Yem fa ne te say abusua. Riley. Ye maame ne ye papa be hia na o ma be wo yen. O ma tete ya ma ye nyini. Ye nyini ne efrifie kra se ekobo ye bra. We den a o mo da so ye abusua.
Exactly.
Inti ni say ye hwehwe me ne ye nhumi a ehen ne be din kan akọ.
Abusua
se KumaseFie fie. Ne akọ akọhwehwe me. Saa na bibia te ade bia ye organization bia you need a structure. Structure ni mu no ene ye de enkrofo na omo enioma keka bom nyina ma enwom to se film na ye o se de ne ye ni nyina e wo se ehonom na ye nyina ye bebehia but o de make an what ase ye ba ya ye production ana ye show yi charisma ebe bonwoma ma ye se ye ba na charisma amonwoma ma ya ye ntumi nkasa saa nkonkosi obi ho a otie because of enwoma ye be de ye bebo Facebook ye active CCA simple de ye be ko ho nti ansana Riley so atena se am moderate show no na ye so ya ye de ya kire ya adwen this is a system ecosystem Riley here me more because ono nko antimi metena ha nye de eni nkomo simple ye here na ansana ye tumi akọ Facebook live ye pese ye bo obi nwom ema nkrofo bi ti a ye here charisma na ya bo nwom no nti all these people coming together and never show na ye de I agree sa na nwom no tie
obi so beka se na de na nipa ba ko nyen nyina
nipa ba ko be do aye ni nyina untumi unkwa untumi nyen ni nyina
okay
unkwa untumi nyen ni nyina ana sa unkwa betuma aye ni nyina so a untumi nye mane nye sene
nipa do
ne be ye no
okay
e be ye dene
okay
ha enti no enwom to no se unkwa wo wa adwen ana wo lyrics na wo kura open na wa tro no enye no unkwa na nwom no
yeah
you need to go to a studio. Somebody would have to record you.
Yeah.
Somebody will produce it. However it happens, and you need people to come together. So I know money nyina na kabomu. I was seeing a cool baako bi a ye hwehwe sa nkrofo ni nyina ye be de ye be home.
Yeah.
But I koba say me hu ni say me nkoa me wo me talent say me ye say me ne de me to nwom wa sorry dem. Ana me ko class a me to nwom wo ho nti me namfofo ni say me ne de nti ne no ano me nim nwom to. Talent alone is never enough. You need a lot of people to come together with their brains and their ideas. Inti akoba say we were ha producer a producer ye were ha inti still na me dey ha dey show ye be example.
Okay.
Ye ba ye simple ye pese ko Facebook simple say me to wa che wa se wa ba. Ye hwe charisma artist bia be wo so obo no nwuma ye se charisma ama o se ne laptop asay. Ye resi do fi na o meche na adwen so ama Riley adwuma no that day no show no enye de
emma so
we need to get all these
people.
So what I say and they say you know people are enjoying the show all these minds are gathered at the same
to
place
make a system work.
That is it. We are all gathered at the same place and you know they are done we be a centralized system management system na ye kan ho asem no.
Okay.
We all need to come together. Nti me de me madwen kire si do fina de na de aba you being the moderator charisma ebonyom simple is putting us live on Facebook. So we are now centralized. Ya kan ye nyina ya bomu a obia dan na djuma na say ne de otumi ya edi na show na kwa abonten ama na ye de ama na ye nice. But this time around obehu no obi say o ye musician ono de wonye ni sika otimi tro no nwom na wakwa producer bi o baabi na watua ne ka na waya ama no na watinchini ko baabi foforo na wakwa videographer na twa video ama no na wate se Riley ye artwork o baabi na wafro ka saa ko na Riley ye artwork mame na ode aye ye so person ye interview na e so here charisma de na ko duru baabi enti ne sankrofo we nyina at the end of the day omo kakra we senka adwuma ni nyina ba abonten omo nya no because they are scattered at different places you know mobilizing these and then sharing them equally will become a big problem and enti na ne obiara na media no royalties manya because obiara hu ne say matua me de ene na me kwa akohwehwe we wo ha me kwa akoyisi me kwa akoyisi at the end of the day no obo se nyoma bebre akwa akokeka akiri
yeah
ya se yete ho ase ye nyina ye nte ho ase se wo dia obeye ene me dia meye no ye ka bomu a ene ma ye ayeyi
wo dia obeye ene me dia meye ka bomu na ma dia ye add your last words na member Sidofina honum we have 10 minutes be
maninka bi no mra
okay hey ene de me nya asem ofia
maninka
antoko mesra ma mo me family lawyer o na me nya ho metu kwan mo starting to kwada na metu kwan
maninka bi
Sidofina
okay Rally, one thing I mean for management when they say once a music you know and I have a movie
yeah
na a competition ayeko
okay
o jena o to a different jena bonti so to a different but still na a
competition because we are all fighting for the same market
yes
audience
say unya obi a obetimi guide o in terms of memfa ha you say ya eboa ema uko echiri
okay
ana management ni ho so support unko a obi opportunities ma gigs ebia shows bi
so your boy otonyum na akoma boy bi atu akoma
so ho
o manager be di ani ma ko pe shows ab
so what ya say enti ensesi a
what is your hungasa
Opemsuo
yeah what say see you see Ashanti festival ba so pe musicians are more maba on board charisma ewo artist wo honom obetimi
lobby ama
artist no ntimi enye dey enkosa but ni manager ni timi ye dey eko gigs ye dey ema ana eba na ye finances nso a management nso ye dey ebo ho ban because emu me particular emu bi ona ebi aja metonyo ba ko na efa na me blosi ya aje me ma
yenko dai we
so no aje charisma ebo amen exercise can made ni like median kasa so what here say wait did it median kasa so what here say enti no artist no artist no
and then remember no one to call you
yeah some background with me enti management wo ewo artist nchen a eboa no oboa no mani ko animo oboa tenetene no oboa ma na adwuma na oye no ye dey
economy
but yen sambre biem management yansu ya ni pay artist ni hia no ono anso management ntimi the artist ne kofom
okay
a band because me enko echi Blacko still on any old management you know omoda so court you see sometimes
send your woman in says from no do court and there's so baba from there
no so ne deal no anko people so so what
they are no court infanto
so I think say management there yes obia o artist bia o ba so no ye dey
obenya
but no ye tama in fact nyame eboa o ma o ba no we ya dey obey dey obetro kwan no and all do niema betutu ye ayede amount so when you embrace obey music need ye so nya management no mo boa wo baby because una musa na me de me ne me friends na ekwa o friend no ni mo obi anso nye dey enim no
when you embrace obey music there so nya management una mu na okosa o friend no onim obi aso nim no and and the show no the babesi but before I be sorry so you know as I told you we save the best for the last. But you can quote Bonti last words. You say Sidofina last words. Ladies first. Let's be gentlemen. Now, if you are, you common so. Sidofina, yes, sorry so.
Okay, so you den yamiasi. So what my nearby? I ye be out here. Now what you say? Yes, I be here. I feel so ja. Me chia Bonti oti.
Me am di djuma di ho chia me ye friend me right say you know say Saturday bia there say black ama me na metena mu edema no nti na wote me kasa gbegbe makasa bebre I think we are a beautiful show nim say also tie wo fie no wani age nti me so mani age